Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brian. Thanks for tuning in for a new video. I am fresh back from FAE in Dallas, Texas, where we had a fantastic time. All of the artists who were teaching, all of the students, all of us teacher assistants, we had a fantastic time. It was a great time being able to talk to everybody, get to know some new people, get to see some people that I've already seen before. I was it was a great time. And I'm hoping I get to go to the next one. We shall see. Today I am going back to basics. I'm doing just a plain old ring pour. I've got some round canvases that I've been doing some blooms on, and you'll see some of my bloom videos on these round canvases coming up in probably next week or the week after. Excuse me. But today I just want to do a plain old ring pour, and I'm only going to use 4 colors. I'm going to keep it pretty simple because, for one thing, my canvas isn't that large, so I don't want to go with a lot of colors, because you go with a lot of colors on a smaller canvas and you're just going to get them, they're going to get lost. So keeping it very simple here. So let's get in on the canvas. I'll show you the colors. We'll get started. Let's get ready to paint. I'll be right back. All right, so what I've got today is a little 14-inch round canvas, and I'm going to be very minimalistic with this pour. I want to do just an old-fashioned ring pour, but I'm only going to use 4 colors. So the colors today I'm going to be using is Amsterdam and the Greenish blue. I'm using titanium white from Amsterdam. I got the Deco Art 24 karat gold. And then I'm using Amsterdam and the turquoise blue. So we're just gonna do a 4-color ring pour, very minimalistic. I think it's gonna be really pretty with just 4 colors. So let's get started laying their cup. For a 14-inch canvas, I'm only gonna need about 7 ounces of paint. All right, so this is a 10-ounce cup. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna put a little bit of gold here in the bottom. Actually, a little white too, I think. Not much. Now we'll layer in the greenish blue. And my paints today are mixed with mixed pour. Some titanium white. The gold. That gold and white together looks so well. And then I'm gonna throw in some of the turquoise blue. And come back again. One last time. A little more than the 7 ounces that's needed, but that's okay. We'll pour into a little bit of white here. And we're gonna do a ring pour, and I'm not gonna pour super fast. Got a really nice center, that's good. We're gonna let the cells form, they're really starting to happen. I like this minimalistic color palette, that's gonna be really good. Got a little bit of air bubbles in there, but I'm gonna torch them after I tilt. All right, I'm just gonna pour a little bit of flow extender around this. All right, let's tilt this out. Looks like a whirlpool. Loving what's happening here in the center. It's so vibrant. Almost looks like a flower in the middle of a whirlpool. That turquoise really takes over. So I think what I want to do is I'm going to repour this because I do like what I got out of this, but I want to see more greenish blue and gold and less turquoise. So I am going to use a lot less turquoise in this pour this time. So I'm going to put dribbles of gold. Some white, not much. And we're going to put greenish blue. Some gold. I'm going to be a little sparingly on the white. And sparingly on the turquoise. So I'm really shooting for a nice, deep, dark piece here. All right, let's try this again. This has got more the darker greenish blue, the gold, less turquoise. Paints are a little thinner than I would normally have liked. I think I put maybe a little extra water in them this time. All right, let's start tilting this out. I'm just rotating, trying to get all of that excess paint off of there that was on there the first time. All right, I'm gonna leave it right there. Give this a torch. I'll bring you guys in. So now we got the greenish blue. That's what I really wanted out of this. I wanted this to be the main focal point so you can see remnants of the gold, remnants of the white, the turquoise as well. The first pour, the turquoise was just way too vibrant. It took over too much. I always forget turquoise does that. It's so funny. All right, I'm gonna torch this and I'll bring you guys in. All right, here is the wet result. Let me bring you in here. So happy that I re-poured this because now I get those wonderful lines. I don't have that turquoise blue taking over. I got my greenish blue taking over. So that's what I wanted in this pour. I wanted a nice, deep, dark ring pour using these colors, giving me that underwater effect. Really beautiful. All right, we'll see this when it's dry. I'll be right back. All right, guys, here's the dried result. It's a little bit wet in the center. I didn't have my heat on very high last night like I thought I did. Usually when I have my heat on, it will dry my paintings really quick, but it dried really well. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. It's still, like I said, a little bit wet, but it is drying. It's drying really well. No bumps, no lumps in the painting, which is great. I like my paints really, really thick when I do ring pours. And even this set of paints that I used were just a little on the thinner side, so you could see how quickly the paints were moving around and stuff. So just for me personally, I would rather have thicker paints. I'm not used to working in these loose paints like this. So, but either way, I still love it how it came out. Once I get some Liquitex gloss varnish on it, it's gonna dry. It's gonna look really bright and shiny. It's gonna be vibrant again. So, all right, everyone, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. That'll let you know when I do post new video content. Everyone have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.